Starting with Prodigy 4.3.0, it is now possible to select from 3 different reading modes in the Books application. Go to the Books application, open a book. So I will go in my library, The Cat in the Hat. Select Settings, which is the second button from the left in the button banner. Scroll down and you will notice Reading Mode. It is by default in column. You have now either choices column, page, or line mode. Let's select page. Selecting page will permit us to see, while reading, the images in the book. So I can start the reading by tapping on the pause play button or press and hold to pause play on the screen.